third period, but this team just came out and dominated the overtime period.
Yeah, we went on the attack, and sometimes when you get control of the puck and down there, you can get them running around, and they've got some offensive guys looking for the odd mans the other way, and kind of got caught leaving the zone, and was able to take it back in, and had a little bit of an extended shift, but we'll take it with a good result at the end, and obviously a great shot by Dabs. Fair hit for us.
What made you guys believe you could do this here at the last 20-25 games?
I think it's just been the consistent effort we've been bringing. We've been working extremely hard. Mo put a system in place to enable us to be the best that we can on the ice, and I think that we've brought the work, and we've worked extremely hard at that. And when you do that, you usually get results, and we were fortunate enough to get good results many games in a row, and that's been the difference for us. And like I said, we got to keep it going and look forward to the playoffs.
How much louder than the crowd get?
It's about as loud as I've heard it since the 06 run, and they're excited, they're energized, they're ready for the playoffs, like me and a lot of other guys.